Good morning. The rainy, gloomy, humid Sunday. The best. This is my favorite lip liner. It's by Tower 28 and the color is Check Me Out. This is my ride or die, the Summer Fridays lip oil. I love the color Pink Cloud. We're just putting on a little lip. It's another solo parent day. You're the default parent and your husband works out of town, but honestly I love it. My mother-in-law just pulled up. We are going to go for a little nature hike. So fun. It's a toddler paced one and we have some friends meeting us too. Wish me luck in the rain. I wore old gym shoes because I fear we're gonna get dirty. Say hi, Grandma.
All excited. Get to the hike. Can you see? Good for Grandma.
Oh.
Oh, an apple. Cute. Yeah. Thursday after my hair.
Don't put your socks, these guys over here.
He said to me, I want to do it again.